If you've ever wondered how to insert images into your Confluence pages quickly and smoothly, you're in the right place. In this tutorial, I'll show you 4 easy methods to add images in Confluence, so that by the end, you'll be able to include visuals in your documentation or team notes effortlessly. Whether you're preparing a project update, creating a knowledge base, or just want to liven up your pages, these techniques will save you time and frustration. Let's dive right in, starting with the easiest and most intuitive method, drag and drop. While you're editing a Confluence page, find the image file you want to insert on your computer. It could be a PNG, JPEG, GIF, SVG, or even a WEBP file. Now just click and drag that file directly onto the Confluence editing area. As you hover over the page, you'll notice a highlighted section showing you exactly where the image will be placed. Simply let go and the image pops right into your content. This method is fantastic for those times when you already have your images organized in a folder and want to add them with minimal effort. If you're someone who likes to keep things simple and fast, this is probably going to be your go-to trick from now on. Next up is a handy keyboard shortcut that can save you several clicks, especially if you're a fan of keeping your hands on the keyboard. On Windows, press Ctrl+M if you're working on a Mac. Use Command+M. This opens up the Files and Images dialog box without making you reach for the mouse or search through menus. From here, you can select an image from your device, just like uploading an attachment in your favorite email client. This approach is perfect for those who want to keep their workflow smooth and rapid, especially when you need to insert several images in quick succession. Don't worry if you accidentally select the wrong file, you can always remove it before saving your changes. For those who like commands and shortcuts inside Confluence, try the / command. On a new line, simply type /, then image or files. Instantly, you'll see the option appear for image, video, or file. Click that and you'll get a prompt to upload an image right from your device. This method is excellent if you already use / commands for other formatting actions. Confluence's editor is becoming more and more powerful in this way. Plus, using commands like this helps you keep your hands on the keyboard, speeding up your page editing even more. And finally, there's the classic way using the editor's toolbar. Look for the icon at the top. It resembles a little landscape photo. It might say add image, video, or file when you hover over it. Give that a click and you'll see the familiar upload dialog. Just find the file you want from your device and you're set. This method is reliable and easy to remember, especially for people who are new to Confluence or prefer to visually browse for the right tool. No matter which of these 4 methods you use, once your image is on the page, you can resize it, align it, or add a caption so it really fits your content perfectly. Sometimes, making your page visually engaging is as simple as breaking up blocks of text with a relevant picture or screenshot. And if Confluence says your image format isn't supported, double-check that it's one of the common types like PNG or JPEG. So that's it, a full toolkit for easily inserting images in Confluence, using whichever method feels most natural for you. If this video helped you, make sure to hit the like button and let me know in the comments if you have questions or run into anything tricky. Don't forget to subscribe for more step-by-step guides. There are lots more productivity tips coming your way. Thanks for watching and happy Confluencing.